Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Matt at Primal Brain Hacks, and today we're going to talk about one of my very favorite herbs. It's a very powerful herb, and it's super delicious. I grow it in my garden every single year, and it's got not just one, but two very powerful medicinal compounds in it. So we're going to briefly review those today. Now, the other day I was researching cataracts, one of the leading causes of blindness in the world, and I came across something very interesting. It turns out that Alzheimer's disease and cataracts are related by a substance called amyloid or amyloid beta. And if any of you are familiar with Alzheimer's disease, you've probably heard that term before. It's the protein-like structures that are found in the brains of patients with Alzheimer's disease. One of the key medicinal compounds in the herb we're talking about today is called carnosic acid. And carnosic acid was found to basically prevent the accumulation of amyloid beta, which means it has a key role in preventing both Alzheimer's disease and cataracts. Now, this was just one study that I found on carnosic acid being able to prevent the buildup of amyloid beta, but there were numerous studies that basically showed the same thing. The second medicinal compound we're talking about today is something called rosmarinic acid, and it was also able to suppress amyloid and basically prevent the accumulation of it. And not only does rosmarinic acid help prevent the accumulation of amyloid beta, apparently it actually works to reverse that as well. This remarkable study found that rosmarinic acid restores complete transparency to human cataracts and also delays the cataract formation in living organisms. And that's some pretty powerful study results. So if you haven't already guessed, the herb we're talking about today is rosemary, which has both carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid in it, and that makes it a very powerful herb to support both your eye health and your brain health on a daily basis. Now, what's really cool is that rosmarinic acid is not just in rosemary, it's also in a number of herbs such as oregano, basil, thyme, sage, and mint. So using these types of herbs in your cooking is definitely going to have a beneficial effect on your health for sure. Now, if you've had any issues with not being able to see very well at night while driving, you're going to want to check out my new book at the link beneath this video. I've researched the very best strategies to both recover night vision and keep your eyesight clear and comfortable into old age. This is top-notch information that I personally use and verify through experience, and it's backed by a 100% money-back guarantee. So check out the link below the video, and also hit that subscribe button because I've got a lot more super important information to share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.